The second viral component is to ensure that those who start TM continue the practice. Sticking rate. We need to ensure that more and more people stick with TM. This is the lowest hanging fruit. For those who quit, we need to run a campaign to ensure that they come back and continue. We have to incentivize them and make sure that they know that we are a forgiving organization. We understand that something may come up and they may release their practice, but they can continue anytime and have all the support. Onboarding process. The first 4 days have to be more effective. For example, they get a certain bonus, or every day they get a follow-up, or every day get an automatic email. We need to ensure that we increase the sticking rate by at least 25%. The third viral component is incentivizing those who start TM to invite others to start TM. For example, we can run a limited time campaign. If you invite a person who does not practice TM in the next 2 weeks, you get 25% off your next course, and the person you invite gets a free offer or bonus. I usually don't recommend discounting the main product line or main offer, but it has to be a bonus. We want to focus on those who are invited because they already have the social component of sticking with a new habit. This means that the chance that they actually come and stick with the new habit is higher than those who just heard of TM in the media.